What's going on, guys? Thanks for watching, and in this video we are going to be working on the front fender of this Supermoto build. This one is actually the original one that came with the bike. I just got a Dremel and I cut it myself, and I'll be honest with you, I hate it. I just don't like the way it looks in the bike. So in order to solve this issue, I went online, and after a quick search I decided that the fender that will look the best in this bike is this one right here. Is the Polysport Supermoto front fender. I decided to get mine in the black and white color just to match the overall look of my build, but you can get it in pretty much every color you want. This one says that it will fit a variety of bikes such as Hondas, Suzuki's, obviously Yamahas, and KTM's. Let's go inside and take a look at the actual fender. Wow, just to hold it and put it side by side, you can already tell this will improve the overall look of the bike. I believe that red piece over there is the adapter for the Yamahas, and let's see what is inside the box. I'm gonna put it right here, and let's see. Yeah, you got the Honda adapter and the Suzuki adapter, so that will fit those bikes with no problems. So I'm gonna jump in and I'm gonna put on the onboard camera and we're gonna start disassemble this front fender for you. And of course, the last bolt is the one that gives us the most trouble. But we're finished now. Gonna take a look at these just to compare if the holes line up and everything matched. So we're good to go. I'm gonna go ahead and install these right back in. Let's fast forward to that. And we are almost finished, guys. This thing looks great so far. All the bolts are in the right place and this thing is secure where it should be. Now we need to figure out how to reinstall the number plate. I'm gonna try to wiggle it a little bit just to see if we can sit it in the right spot. Okay, I think I find out the trouble. This number plate has these dimples on the back that it doesn't allow to sit in the right place. Just gonna get a Dremel and file those out. But so far it's looking great. And I had to come back later because I lost all the natural light. But this is how it ended up looking. I just got a Dremel and filed those out so it could sit right in their place. This thing fits in some dimples that are actually in the bottom tray clamp. And there you go.